I've got the OnePlus 3 here, and today I want to show you how to upgrade the modem of this device to Oxygen OS 9.0.2 or higher. We're actually going to be flashing 9.0.3, but it's going to fix a problem that mentions needing the firmware 9.0.2. So I was wanting to do a LineageOS specific tutorial today, but going through my collection of devices, I have the OnePlus 3 here running LineageOS 15.1, and I wanted to upgrade it to version 16 for the sake of the tutorial. When I tried to sideload it, like it instructs me to from the LineageOS wiki, I was presented with this error telling me that I need the modem firmware from Oxygen OS 9.0.2 or newer. So now I could go through an unbricking process, which would completely wipe all of the data we have on this device, which is going to happen anyway when I upgrade to LineageOS 16, but in any case, that whole process will take a lot longer than flashing this simple zip file. So I tried looking for the Oxygen OS 9.0.2 modem on the OnePlus website, and they haven't updated their download page for the OnePlus 3 since December of last year. So I had to go to XDA. There's an XDA thread that has download links to these. I'm going to be including the download links in the full tutorial. So if you have the OnePlus 3 or the OnePlus 3T and you're trying to upgrade to LineageOS 16 and you're given this modem error, then on the full tutorial for my website, I'll have the download links for both the OnePlus 3 as well as the OnePlus 3T. So again, to fix this error, we just need to flash that modem file. So we don't need to download the full ROM. The download links that I include will just be smaller, about 50 megabyte files that we have one for the OnePlus 3, and I'll have a link for the OnePlus 3T. So to get that while we are in TWRP, or if you are not yet in recovery mode, boot the OnePlus 3 into recovery mode, and we're going to flash this stable 9.0.3 firmware file. And there you have it. Once that zip file has been installed via TWRP, then you can go about your own upgrade process for bringing your OnePlus 3 or OnePlus 3T to LineageOS version 16.0.